Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Good morning. How are you people? Fine.
Fine.
Okay. Okay. Can we revise? Can we revise from this chapter from the beginning?
Yes.
Yes. We have few test papers coming up, isn't it? So we can revise for some time. Okay. I'll only ask the questions. Then I will just go through again from the beginning. Got it?
Yes.
First, Amiel Shiju, can you tell me the first answer? Name the line where the earth and the sky appear to meet.
Horizontal.
I'll give you the examples. Boundary, axis, horizon, diameter. Which one, Amiel?
Horizon.
Yes, very good. I'm going to ask so Ansel and Saji.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The next question, name the fixed path along with a planet or a heavenly body travels. Which is that path? I'll give the options. Orbit, diameter, pathway, radius. Through which the planet, look at here, through which the planets move around the sun. The path. What is that path
Can
called?
you repeat the question?
Yeah, name the fixed path along which the planet or a heavenly body move around the sun. What is that path called as? Is it called?
Options, please.
Yeah, options I'll say. First option is orbit. Second option is pathway. Third option is diameter. Fourth option is radius. Which one?
Orbit.
Anselin only told the answer right now?
No, ma'am.
Who told me the answer right now?
Earth.
Why is it like that?
One.
Once I'm asking to somebody, why do you want to answer? So what is the answer, Anselin?
Orbit.
Yes. What is the answer, everyone?
Orbit.
Yes, it is orbit. Arfan, next time you don't repeat that, okay? I'll come to you. That time you answer. Okay. Next one is to Juan. Juan, unmute. Okay. The question is, the Earth is the dash planet from the sun. What is the position of Earth from sun? I cannot hear, Juan.
Third planet from the sun.
Juan, I'm not able to hear you.
Ma'am, he said that it's
Juan,
the
I'll come
third
back to
planet
you.
from the
Now I'm
sun.
not able to listen to you. Henry, can you tell me the answer? Henry? The Earth is a dash planet from the sun. Which planet is Earth? The Earth is a dash.
Third planet.
Yes, very good. Very good, Henry. Good. Did you understand, Juan? What is the answer?
Third planet.
Yes, Henry, thank you. Henry, which
Third
planet
planet.
is
The Earth is the third planet from the sun.
told that?
Juan told that already.
Juan told. I was not able to hear Juan. You will have to keep a headset, okay? Then only I'll be able to hear it clearly. You use a headset. Got it, Juan?
Yes.
Juan? Okay, good children. Okay, Juan also very good. Henry also very good. Got it? Okay. Now, Prajwal.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, dear, tell me the Earth takes about dash hours to complete the rotation.
24 hours.
Very good. Very good. Next is to Parvati. Answer me. Parvati. Hello. Parvati is not there. Okay, Arfan. Arfan. Arfan.
No.
Unmute. Yes. Come on. Tell me what is the shape of the Earth?
Oblate sphere.
Yes, oblate sphere. Can you spell the word? Give the spelling.
Oblate.
Oblate. I told you it is late. So what is it?
Oblate.
Yes. Sphere.
Sphere.
Yes. Very good, Arfan. Very good boy. Okay. Okay. Jaswin.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me the earth is rotating, the earth is circling on its own axis, isn't it? Yes?
Yes.
What is that movement called as?
Rotation. Rotation.
Who is telling and giving you the answers? Hmm.
Ma'am, rotation.
Yes, okay, very good, very good. Now, who can explain me about revolution? What is revolution and how much time does a revolution, one revolution takes? To complete one revolution, how much time does Earth takes?
365.
No. Raise your hands. Raise your hands, I'll ask you. Who all knows the answer? Raise your hands. Arfan, I have already asked you. Dia, come on, tell me the answer. Adidev, I'll come to you. I saw your hands. I'll come back to you. Okay, Adidev Vaishnair.
Ma'am, it takes 365 days.
Okay, thank you. Adidev, tell me what is revolution, Adidev?
Revolution is the
You tell in your words, it's okay.
revolution is the rotation of the earth that
It is not rotation, it is a movement.
of the
It is movement.
axis.
Huh?
The movement of the axis.
Is it revolution or rotation? What are you telling on?
When an
Okay. You tell me
planet
what is rotation first. Wait, Adidev, tell me what is rotation first. In your words.
rotation is the
Movement
movement of the earth
on its own.
that on its axis.
Yes. So what is revolution? The movement of earth.
Movement of earth around the sun.
Yes, very good. And how many days does it take?
365.
And one more thing has to be, yes?
365 days.
Is it correctly 365 days?
No, in the leap year there is 366.
Yes. So how it comes from where it starts? 365 and 1/4. What you will have to say? 365 and
1 by 4 days.
yes.
By 4.
Who is telling? Somebody else is calling me. Okay, Adidev, very good. Okay, thank you so much. Very good. Okay. Next question goes to Nihal. Can you tell me true or false? Nihal? Nihal. Okay. Tell me true or false. Okay. Okay, Nihal. Aristotle was the first person to conclude that the earth was flat. Aristotle was the first person to conclude that the earth was flat. Is it true or false? Nihal? Nihal? Are you telling something? Nihal, answer me. Is it true or false? Is it Aristotle who told that the earth is flat or some other philosopher? Who can tell me the answer? Okay, Jasmine, come on, tell me the answer. It is false, isn't it? Who was the person told that the earth was flat? Which philosopher was that?
Plato.
Yes, very good, excellent. Now, Anupama, tell me the next question's answer, okay?
Yes.
The earth's rotation causes day and night. Anupama, true or false?
Yes.
Okay, the earth's rotation causes true or false, or causes day and night. Rotation is what? The movement on the axis itself, isn't it? Anupama, tell me the answer.
Ma'am, it is true or false?
Yes, true or false?
True.
Yes, very good. Then, John Daniel, answer me. The earth's axis does not connect the top and bottom of the earth. True or false? Okay. You have to tell it in true or false. The earth's axis does not connect the top and the bottom. Where you're looking, John, tell me the answer. I cannot hear you, dear. John, I'm not able to hear you. Okay, what you're telling, is it false? If it is false, thumbs up. If it is true, thumbs down. Okay, good. Abel or Dawn, tell me the next question. Abel or Dawn?
Yes, ma'am.
Answer me in true or false. Okay. The earth appeared to be flat to people in ancient times.
True.
Very good. Everybody, excellent, well done. So in the last class, you also have written 12th question and 13th question of your workbook, yes?
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes?
ask me a question.
Ameya? Yes, I'll come to you, Ameya. Okay, 1 second.
Shivadyan.
Shivadyan also. Okay, I'll come. I'll ask later. Okay, now let me come with the workbook questions. Do you all have your workbook in front of you? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if those who doesn't have, it's okay, fine. Now, children, the 12th question. Shivadyan, can you read me the 12th question?
Okay,
Somewhere,
ma'am.
1 minute, Shivadyan. Somewhere I can hear the sound of bikes and cars. Can you just mute that? Whose is it? Okay.
I am sitting inside my house.
Yes, I can hear somewhere. I think that is a roadside. So mute yourself. Okay. Okay, Shivadyan, continue.
16th question.
12th question.
Okay. Why did people start exploring new routes to Asia and Africa?
No, which question? Child, it is the second chapter.
Okay. Why did people think that Earth was flat? Due to a reason.
Yes.
People thought that the horizon made the end of the Earth's surface. There was also no way to see the Earth's true shape.
Yes. Have you learned the answer, Shivadyan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So can you tell it in your own words?
Yes.
What are the 2 reasons? Come on, tell. Don't look into the book. Tell in your words. It's okay. If you go wrong also, I just wanted to know what is the content. Only that. Come on. Speak up.
People thought that the horizon is
Horizon.
the horizon marked the end of the Earth, and there were
No.
there were no way to see the Earth's true shape.
Yes, very good. Very good. Who was talking in the chat box? Why you wanted to say hi and bye, hi and bye? Good morning, ma'am. Hi. Why is it so? Okay. Later, in the chat box, I'll be sending you a link. You will have to answer that questions. Okay. That is a test for you. Got it?
I didn't get it.
No, not. You did not. Let us try. Let us try today. It's okay. This is a trial. Trial and error. Okay. It's okay. Okay. Adinath, can you hear me, Adinath? Yes. Can you read me the question 13?
Yes.
Come on.
Read facts about the Earth. Earth's diameter mentioned below.
Yes.
The diameter of the Earth from top to bottom is about 100
12,000.
1,002
No, dear, it is 12,000.
12,713 kilometers.
Yes. Then
the diameter across the Earth is about 12,756 kilometers.
Excellent. So,
explain this to tell us about the shape of that Earth.
So what will be the answer? Can you tell it in your own words, Adinath?
The 2 facts.
Don't look and read. Dear, you understand the answer, no? Have you learned about it? No. Okay, continue reading. Read the answer.
The 2 facts tell us that the diameter of the Earth from the top to bottom is shorter than the diameter across the Earth shows that the Earth is oblate sphere.
Earth is an oblate sphere, isn't it? Okay, Ameya, can you read that answer again? Read the answer again.
Two facts that the diameter of the earth from top to the bottom is shorter than the
Shorter. What is it? Shorter.
diameter
Across the.
across the earth. This shows that the earth is an oblate sphere.
Yes, very good. Eva Rose, can you read me the answer again? Learn
Ma'am.
while others are reading. All you people learn it, okay? Come on.
Ma'am, I forgot to write that answer.
Why, dear? You have exams coming up, isn't it? Why you forgot? Okay, next class, you have to write, okay? Then you will read for me. Muhammad Amil, can you read me the answer? And Mia, you will have to read the next one, okay? Have you completed your writing? Yes. Have you copied the answers to your book? And Mia Rose? Have you completed? If yes, thumbs up. Okay, have you completed?
Yes. I'm in which book?
Okay, once again, I'll come back to Anya 1 minute. Muhammad Amil, read me the same answer. 13th answer.
I don't have test book.
Have a workbook front? Very good.
No.
Very nice. So,
Ma'am, he is in UAE.
oh, Amil is in UAE. Okay, sorry. Gauri Nandana, can you read me? Gauri
Ma'am, I came from UAE.
You came back?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Fine, it's fine. Okay, now Gauri Nanda, can you read me? Where is Gauri Nanda now? She left? She's not there. Varada, continue.
Ma'am, I also forgot to write that.
Very nice. This is how I can catch you people, isn't it? Varada, very well. Devdarshan, can you read me the answer? Devdarshan, read the answer. Have you completed the workbook questions?
No, ma'am.
Can I read the answer?
Yes, is it?
I will read.
Okay, I'll read.
Ma'am, 13th question
Yes,
answer.
13th question's answer, Ayal.
The two facts tell us that the diameter of the earth from the top to the bottom is shorter than the diameter across the earth. This shows that the earth is an oblate sphere.
Okay, so why the earth is an oblate sphere, dear? Children, why the earth is called as oblate sphere? Because the distance from top to bottom is shorter than the distance across the earth. Only that you will have to write. There's no need of elaborating the sentence. Got it? You can write the earth's distance from top to bottom is shorter than the distance across the earth. Okay? That is why it is called as an oblate sphere. Did you understand? You can write it in your own words. Got it?
Yes.
Adidev and Esnayar, are you sleeping? 6
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Okay. And Maria Anish, can you read me the 14th question?
Ma'am.
Okay, Shivdyan, come on, tell me what's it.
We didn't complete our Earth chapter.
It's almost completed. I know we have not completely. Question 11 what we have for the exam. I'm going very slow. Okay. So Anne Maria left. Oh, who was this KTM lover? Huh? Who was this KTM lover? Change your name, dear. This is not a freaky space. Okay, I know you people love KTM, fine. But this is not a freaky time, okay? This is a class, so change your name. KTM lover, change your name. Mr. KTM lover, change your name. Next time I don't want to see these kinds of names in the class, okay? Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Isa only name it.
Isa. Oh, that was Isa. I can see only your head side and your eyes. That's why I was not able to recognize you. Okay, Isa. Isa, come on. Can you read me the 14th question. Left. I'll have to search for some. Amiel, don't yawn. Varada, read me the question. Do you have a workbook in front?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, give me the reason. Question. Read the question.
13th one.
No, 14th. Sorry.
Huh?
14th.
No,
We have not
14th
written the
was
answer. We have not written the answer. I'm just going to explain it. That's why.
Give reason for the following.
Yes. Come on. Continue.
Sailors in
Sailors. Who are they?
sailors.
Sailors. The people travel through the sea are called sailors.
Yes. Sailors in
Ancient times.
ancient time were afraid of sailing in the same direction for too long.
Yes. Why can it be? Why they were afraid of sailing for too long? Can you tell me why? Varda, you think can say. Why it can be?
and they might fall down.
Because
You think can say. Let the answer go wrong. Like that
Ma'am.
only we will run.
ma'am,
Question is calling me.
I can say
Wait. Let she try.
because
Okay,
the
Varda, come on.
earth
Why the
is
sailors are feeling afraid in the ancient time? Okay, think about the time, ancient time. Why the sailors are afraid to travel for long?
ma'am, they think the earth was flat.
Who is telling the answer, Ameya? Okay, Varada, you hear
Ma'am, I
it
can
clearly.
say.
Rajul, I come back to you. I'll come back to you. Okay, Amaya, continue.
So, in where they go, the end, they will be fall down.
They will fall down from the end. That is why they are scared. Very good. Excellent work. Rajul, okay.
Ma'am,
Read
she
the
meant
question
that
B of that question
sailors
B.
thought that ancient
Wait,
time
Aditi,
they were
1
afraid
minute.
of sailing because
Wait, Aditi, 1 minute. If you're talking in between, I'll not be clear. It is not clear for me. Okay, Aditi, welcome back. Rajul, can you read me the question B of that?
I mean, in ancient times, people believed that the earth really was flat.
Yes. They believed like that. That is why the sailors were not traveling for long. They thought that the horizon was the end of the earth and they will fall down from the horizon. Okay, Prajwal, did you got the question?
Ma'am, test.
Test. I have to take the test also. Wait. Okay, Prajwal, I'll come to you with the answer. Adidev, can you read me that question of B? I'll come back to the answer, okay? Prajwal, be ready with the answer of B. Read the question and be ready with the answer. Yes, Adidev, come on.
After Ferdinand Magellan's sea voyage,
Voyage. What is it? Voyage.
sailors no longer feared sailing in one direction for too long.
Yes. Can you tell me why, Adidev?
Because before Ferdinand Magellan traveled around the world, the people in ancient times thought that the earth shape was inflated, so
Okay. Adidev, you're correct, but I wanted Prajwal to answer in a proper sentence. Make it into a proper sentence. The answer is almost correct, Adidev. Very good. Even the other person also answered it very correctly. May also said the answer properly. Prajwal, can you make it into a proper sentence and tell me the answer? Why after Ferdinand Magellan's voyage? Okay, come on.
there was no way to see the correct.
Read the question properly, Prajwal. Even Adidev told the answer correctly, but the sentence making had a bit problem. So I'm asking like that. Like after Ferdinand Magellan's sea voyage, sailors no longer feared. They were not feared to travel for long space, for more distance. Why is it so? Will you? Can you say, Prajwal? No.
Because they
Okay. Because
the Ferdinand Magellan came back.
Ferdinand Magellan? Okay, Adidev, can you repeat the answer again? You told the correct answer. Can you repeat the answer again?
Before Fernando Magellan traveled around the world, that
Don't speak in between. I just wanted to hear only from Adidev. Come on.
before Fernando Magellan traveled around the world, ancient people thought that the earth was flattened in
Okay.
shape.
Flat.
And
It was
the
flat in
period
shape.
of
You
going-
wait. Adidev, you have to tell only flat in shape. Okay, there is no need of flattened. It's flat.
in flat in shape.
Okay.
So they thought they were so
After Ferdinand Magellan's journey,
they was afraid to travel so far.
okay,
Too long.
no need of giving so much of explanation. That explanation was given in the first sentence. So you have to say only like this. After Ferdinand Magellan's journey, the people understood that they will not fall off from the earth, and the earth is in a round figure. Understood? Got it, Rajwin?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can we go for the test? Only 3 questions. I'll give you the link in the chat, and you can.
Now could we take chat?
Yes, take your chat. Okay, I have pasted the link. Okay, now the link is up into. Try.
I got it.
Try.
I got it.
Okay, you try it.
Yes.
Yes, try.
We should open it. Maybe I'm such
Try it. You just want to click into that. Children, you just have to click into that. That's it. Write your name.
Name
class?
the line where the earth and
Yes.
the sky appear to meet.
Wait, okay. Got that link, no?
Three questions.
Only 3 questions.
Okay, ma'am. Class 4 A, B, C. Ma'am, all correct.
Wait, let me check. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm taking your forms. 1 second.
Earth is a planet. My answer. Could I submit it?
1 second. Okay, Dia, Anselin, Chris, I am not able to see your answers. Okay. Okay. You got 2. Anselin, you got only 1. Why so? Dia, okay, 2. Binnu, 3. Good.
I'm finished.
Good. Arfan and Shivadyan, why you made a mistake over there? Gauri Nandana, very good. Varada, very good. Anupama, very good. Binnu, very good. Isra, very good. You are not reading the answers properly. That is why you are going wrong. Okay, understood.
My wrong.
Wait.
I finished.
Okay, good. Most of them has done well. Eva, Devadarshan, 1-1. Why 1-1?
Ma'am, what's the mains mark?
Okay, I'll check the marks later. Few of them have got proper marks. We have even today, we revised the question. After that, you're making these mistakes. Very bad about you.
Ma'am, I can't do it.
Why? Do you have a Google account, Abel or Dawn? Abel, you have a Google account? Tell your parents to on your Google account and keep it ready for that. Okay. For the next class, tell your parents to enter into the Google, sign in Google account and be ready. Then only if you click to the link, you will go straight again to the Google Forms. Okay. The next class. I'll check your marks later. I am not able to talk to you and to check your marks at a time. It's not working out. So okay. Shivadyan, where is Shivadyan and all? Shivadyan, why you made a mistake? Shiva?
Ma'am,
Where is Shivadyan?
6:20.
By mistake, you clicked something. Shivadyan, you left. I cannot see Shivadyan. Okay. There are few members who have made mistakes like without, I don't know why you people are making such mistakes. Okay.
Ma'am, and then next class we can also.
Yeah, I will. Every day I'll take test. Okay, don't worry.
Ma'am, test came. Chat box.
Sorry?
The test came. Test.
Test? What test?
Paper. Some paper.
Okay. Why Arfan is sending something? Arfan? What you're sending, Arfan?
Question answers is not there.
No. Only one word. For your exams also, right now you will be having 20 questions. In that, everything will be one word questions. Okay, you have to just click the answers. Yes. Only one word. Okay. But you have to read the text. Got it? Okay. So can we end the meeting? I hope you all have done your test. Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.